Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the altcoin Shiba Inu. If you guys have not been paying attention to the Shiba Inu chart in the past 48 hours, let's just say you missed out on a big rally. We did have a strong pullback, but the retracement was actually bigger than the pullback while the whole cryptocurrency market is sinking in red. Before we get into it, if you guys are here for the first time, don't want to stay up to date with everything to do with Shiba Inu, I highly recommend you scroll down and tap the red subscribe button. While there, also go ahead and slap a like on the video for the YouTube algorithm to push the video out to more people, so more people find out the incredible community backing up Shiba Inu. They decide to buy into it, it starts spiking up, and all of us make a lot of profit. So the best thing you can do is go down and slap a like on it. Let's go for 282 likes. If we smash that, that would be insane. Other than that, let's get into it. So to begin with today's video, first of all, let's look at the 1 hour chart, and then I will show you guys the 4 hour chart in terms of what something very interesting is happening with Shiba Inu. If we decide to look at the 1 hour chart, you can see exactly 48 hours ago, which is about a day or two ago, you can see we did have a strong sell-off. Now this sell-off actually took us all the way from 54 all the way down to 46, which is close to a 20% downfall in about 8 hours, which is insane. A lot of people started making comments on Twitter saying Shiba Inu is crashing, it has gone out of the bowl. But something that a lot of people failed to notice is every single cryptocurrency in these specific 8 hours did have a strong sell-off. Not only the meme coins, I'm not just talking about Dogecoin or Shiba Inu, even Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, anything you name it was on a downfall in this specific hour. It took us all the way down to 46, and once that 46 was touched, the retracement was actually even quicker, which took us all the way back to where we started off. So this spike was actually from a big whale deciding to actually completely crash the market, but recovered because the buy orders decided to come in pretty strong. Now once we actually got all the way back to 54, there was a small pullback, which is a normal one, but then you can see that Shiba Inu was the only token which is about 9 hours ago did have a big spike, and there is a huge reason behind that. But what is interesting is after this huge spike, the super trend actually after about 48 hours it turned from red, which is a downfall, to a green, which is now a bullish thesis, which is looking really good. And what's very interesting is you guys can see this lower low was obviously lower than this one, and this lower low is obviously lower than this one. On the top, this higher high is obviously lower than this one, and this higher high is higher, which actually clearly suggests that we have broken out of the downtrend and now we are on an uptrend. And the uptrend is starting to look pretty strong, because if this pullback or this retracement was not going below this and starts climbing up and make sure that it actually goes above this point, we will be actually in a bull run at that point. Like, the uptrend is good, but the bull run will be much better. Now if we look at the 4 hour chart, it's showing something very similar. You can see that this pullback was a very long one, which was for 48 hours, and once it actually got to this low point, it started coming back up, which was the initial support that we are playing off on Shiba Inu, which is obviously 46. I'm talking about 0.00046. Now this is playing really well. This support has been helping us so much, and on the 4 hour chart we're still in the downtrend, but at the same time the downtrend is not that far from being broken, which is we just need to break the 57 mark. If we decide to break that point, after that we are on an uptrend again, and Shiba Inu has nothing slowing it down. Also, Shiba Inu was actually talked about by Robinhood. You guys remember we talked about the interview that the COO decided to do of Robinhood, talking about Shiba Inu, that they're not in a rush to add Shiba Inu, and the reason behind that, they also said it in the interview, and I want to talk to you guys about that today. But before we get into it, overall you can see after the all-time high we have started coming down on a descending triangle, which is not really good, because you guys know usually what happens in a descending triangle is it forms a downtrend. But just in the past 24 hours we just broke out of the descending triangle. So if we decide to look over here, you guys can see the descending triangle was forming, but then just the last 24 hours is the point where we broke out. So now this is going to be the crucial point in terms of where to go from here. But something very interesting, or the reason why Shiba Inu had the initial spike about 8 hours ago, is Shiba Inu got shouted out from Island Boys and the price goes up 12%. Now these are the island boys. They are very popular on the internet. I have seen them on the internet and they have been very popular. So on their live stream they decided to go ahead and talk about Shiba Inu. A lot of people, a lot of their fans decided to go ahead and buy into it, and that caused the price to have an explosive outbreak. And that is the price prediction or the price breakout that we saw about 12 hours ago. It was due to these boys, so thank you to them. They're incredible people helping out the Shiba Inu army. Now moving on, this is what a lot of people have been missing out. So why Robinhood blockchain.com can't just go out and list Shiba Inu tomorrow? And this is what they said: we can't just go out and add Shiba Inu tomorrow or pour 100 leverage on it. I think almost all of the legitimate volume in the crypto space will be onshore, and we are here to build a business. Now if we decide to go down a little bit more, you can see the idea of meme investing I think needs a little bit of an attitude and adjustment. Our business is predicted to around the idea that we want your trusted partners in cryptocurrency space for the next 30, 40 or 50 years. We want to make sure that we're working and assessing everything from regulatory perspective. So they're saying that Shiba Inu won't be around for a long time, and we personally do not want to back up something that does not have proper evidence. I don't understand that. Personally, I'm not going to comment on that because I just think Robinhood is in the wrong here, as Shiba Inu has completely proven itself that it is going to be a token that will be here for a long term. I don't know what they're trying to do from here. They're just trying to break up the community, saying it is not worth the price, because this can have a very negative impact, and personally I'm not happy to see that Robinhood is casting stones in our way. It just makes me really sad because Robinhood has been helping Dogecoin, which is also a meme token, and Shiba Inu is pretty much doing the exact same thing. Now showing something very interesting, Shiba Inu shines in the sea of red. As I just mentioned, the whole cryptocurrency market is down, but the only one that is shining is Shiba Inu. That is the only one that has been up in the last 24 hours, which is up about 7%, which is insane for a token that has a market cap of 30 billion. But hey, personally I'm super excited to see where we go from here. I personally think that Shiba Inu can make it into top 5 crypto before it starts to actually settle down. It still has something to shine before it starts slowing down and just picks its right place in the market. Now talking about the price prediction, now Invis decided to make an article about it saying Shiba Inu price prediction: Shiba could soon explode higher. The Shiba Inu price bucked the trend on Thursday. It rose sharply even as the other cryptocurrencies shrunk. The coin could soon break out higher. Why is Shiba going up? It's obviously because of the boys deciding to talk about it, and CoinDSC actually deciding to make the announcement that they will be listing Shiba Inu. And finally, the price prediction. Now the key supports that we will be playing off will be 44 and 32. If we break out of 42, personally I don't think it will be happening, but then the 32 will be the next one. And the key resistance which we are on right now is 55 and 63. We might be breaking 55 very soon, but 63 is going to be the key resistance that we will have to worry about. But other than that, thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Let me know down in the comment section what you think about it. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.